In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to monetize any YouTube channel in under 4 weeks. We'll walk through 5 essentials: choosing a niche, writing scripts, making videos, optimizing for search, and turning views into income with ChatGPT helping at every stage. First, pick your niche. Start with what you can talk about consistently, your skills, hobbies, or a problem you've solved. Ask ChatGPT to brainstorm sub-niches and the top questions people ask in that space. Have it list audience pain points, evergreen topics, and simple content pillars so you don't run out of ideas. Keep it focused. A clear niche makes your channel bingeable. As a quick validation, ask for 10 video ideas with search-friendly titles and see which feel repeatable for the next month. Next, write video scripts. Give ChatGPT your niche, the target viewer, and the specific outcome you promise. Request a tight outline with a strong hook, step-by-step teaching, and a concise call to action. Then expand it into a conversational script that sounds like you. Ask for B-roll suggestions, on-screen text prompts, and a summary you can reuse in your description. Trim jargon, verify any facts, and keep sentences short to maintain watch time. Then, make the videos. Record with a phone, webcam, or screen capture. Great audio beats, fancy cameras. Share your script with ChatGPT and ask for a shot list and pacing notes so you know when to cut, zoom, or add visuals. Keep your energy up, front-load value in the first 30 seconds, and use pattern breaks every few sentences to maintain retention. Simple edits, captions, and clear thumbnails go a long way. After that, optimize for search. Ask ChatGPT for a primary keyword, related variants, a click-worthy title under 60 characters, and a description that naturally includes your keywords in the opening lines. Generate tags, timestamps, and a pinned comment that nudges viewers to watch the next video. Keep thumbnails bold and readable. ChatGPT can draft thumbnail text and concept ideas you can hand to a designer or create yourself. Finally, monetize. Use ChatGPT to craft a description template with affiliate disclosures, a lead magnet pitch, and a short sponsor blurb for later. As views build, explore the partner program, affiliate products that truly help your audience, and simple digital offers like templates or checklists. Keep publishing, iterate based on retention analytics, and let ChatGPT accelerate research, writing, and optimization so you can monetize faster. If you're running this as a 4-week sprint, spend week 1 finalizing your niche and scripting a bank of titles, weeks 2 and 3 filming and publishing consistently, and week 4 doubling down on SEO while adding affiliate links and clear calls to your next videos via end screens and pinned comments.